Hello and welcome back to Animal Wonders. I'm Jessi and this is...
Yeah.
Jacob, you got something on your face there. Welcome back to another unboxing where we unbox gifts from you. So, let's do that. Ooh, what is it?
Paper towel rolls and toilet paper rolls.
Yeah, awesome. Oh, there's so many of them. There is a note too. Dear Jessi, my name is Simeon, not Simon, Simeon. Awesome. All right, I noticed in your videos that you give toilet paper rolls to the animals for foraging. We do. Awesome. So I thought that instead of throwing my clean toilet paper rolls away, I'd send them to you. Recycling, reusing, love it so much. Thanks for all you, Augusto Taylor, and the rest of the Animal Wonders crew for all that you do. P.S. Do you have any other ideas of what I can do with my toilet paper rolls instead of throwing them away? Oh, there's so many things that you could do with them. I love that question. Hey Jacob, what do you think about reusing toilet paper rolls like this?
It's actually pretty good because then you don't have to throw them away and they can also come in uses.
Yeah, really good uses. I've seen you get pretty creative with them. What do you like to use them for?
Rolling marbles down them.
Yeah, you're right. They do make those really good like marble tracks. That's a good one. Nice. I've seen you looking through them too.
Yeah, I used to make super long ones.
Right? You'd put them all together. Yeah, there's a lot of really creative ways that you can use things. Yeah. Ooh, and another thing that I used them for was crafts. We made these cute little like animals out of them. Remember that? Yeah, I'll put a picture up. Okay, so we've got the toilet paper rolls. I'm really excited for foraging with them. Let's see what's in this other box first, and then we'll decide which animal we're gonna go visit. Look, there's a really cute picture of a bunny on there that says Yuki, and it says, please open on camera. Let's do it. All right, what's inside? Let's see.
Blanket.
Ooh, this is a nice, cozy blanket. Oh my gosh, there's so much good stuff in here. All right, let's look and see. We got a little chewy perch thing. Those are awesome. And a Timothy roll and toss. This looks like a package for rodents, doesn't it?
Yeah, huckleberry.
And we have some more bird perches. These are awesome. Oh, you are being so kind to the birds. Thank you. Some more chew toys. These are papaya bites. Yay, we finally got down. Let's see, we have some, oh, this is so crinkly, so crinkly. Some grass mats. These are excellent. The animals love these. Animal Wonders. Dear Jessi, here are a few things for the animals. I love Patagonian Cavies and I really want one. So can you give me advice for how to take care of them? Ooh. Love, Amira, and Yuki the bun. Oh my goodness. All right, so that's a big question. Patagonian Cavies are amazing animals, but they do make really challenging pets. Part of the reason they make a challenging pet is because they are rodents and they like to chew on everything. So they'll chew on wood, they'll chew on plastic, they'll chew on everything that's around them. So in order to give them a safe space, you have to have an area that's chew-proof, right? They like to chew on everything. Yeah. The other thing about Patagonian Cavies is they are prey animals. So they have huge eyes on the sides of their head and they have really big ears. And if they see something or hear something, it'll startle them. And what do?
They run.
They run as fast as they can. They bolt. They have incredibly big back legs and they can just launch themselves really fast. They can run up to 40 miles an hour. That's super fast. Also, they can jump 6 feet in the air. That's over my head. So if you have them like in your house, they are going to bolt and they could hit themselves on things inside your house, like a table or a chair. They'll jump, so they can jump up on things if they get scared as well. And they have very skinny legs, so they can hurt themselves. So I do not recommend Patagonian Cavies as pets. But what animal is closely related to Patagonian Cavies?
Guinea pigs.
Guinea pigs. Guinea pigs cannot run 40 miles an hour and they cannot jump 6 feet in the air.
They probably jump like an inch.
Yeah, they can. They're like, So if you are looking for an animal that's similar to a Patagonian cavy in kind of maybe personality a little bit, maybe look into guinea pigs. And because you asked the question about the cavies, I think that is a great idea. Let's go visit with the cavies and the guinea pigs and the chinchillas. Sound good?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, here we are. Hi, Chili Pepper. Jacob, come on in. Do you want to put that cozy blanket like right there so they can lay on it? Good. Nice. Chili Pepper loves his blankets. Hi, cuties. Got Chili Pepper here and Cayenne. We got Toast in that back corner there. Oh, that's Squash. That's Squash. All right, they also really love these. So do you want to put that over there too? All right, we're going to put this here. We've got this cool ball. Hi, handsome. How are you? Would you like a treat? There you go. Good job. All right. So this ball is made out of Timothy hay, which is great for Patagonian cavies. And Chili Pepper wants to play with that. Go ahead, let him chew on it. So that's just a pumice stone over there. So that's not going to hurt him. It's good for his teeth. Cayenne wants to see what's going on over there. It's like, I will chew on it too. They don't eat it, they spit it all out. I put some of Chili Pepper's favorite treats in it. So I want to see if he can get to it. He's focused on that. Let's see if Cayenne can get to it.
Ow, who's biting?
Yeah, he gets really excited about things. They've got really big teeth too. You want to hang that up somewhere, Jacob? You can find a place to wedge it into the branches on the wall. You've got a lap full of cavy. Oh, he discovered the Timothy ball. Oh man, this is a perfect toy because it's really hard and it's making him work really hard to get little bites of it. Oh my gosh. Toast just took the whole toilet paper roll. She knew exactly what to do. That's amazing. She just grabbed it, tossed it, knocked out the little treats. You were too slow, Cayenne. Toast did it. There is a treat right there. Do you want to grab it? Carmel's still trying over there. Yay! He got a reward too. You happy, girl?
Oh, they're chewing on it.
She's like, sure. Thanks, friend. That is a happy cavy. Or that's a happy guinea pig. So these two had a really fun time. Hi, cuties. They got to eat lots of treats and they have plenty of things to play with. They haven't even gotten into the grass mat yet or the bundle of sticks. Chili Pepper, I can tell you right now, is going to love this blanket. He's going to make it all cozy and he's going to lay on it and just be super happy. And we're now in the romping room with the chinchillas. You can see there's one right there and there's one behind me on that shelf there. I put some hay in the toilet paper rolls and I got some treats in my hand there. And Jacob, what do you have?
Breast mat.
All right, let's do it.
I also got chinchilla chewing on my shoelace.
You do. Let's see. Get all the shoe nibbles in. Chex is ready for some toys. Yeah. All right, Jacob, where's that mat gonna go? You got Cheerio.
How many chinchillas do we have in here?
4. Looks like Pebbles is down on the bottom there. Yep, and Cheerio is up on the top. That's Chex right here. And over on this shelf, we have Kix. All right, we'll put one of these on this shelf. And we'll put the other one on this shelf here and tuck some little Timothy treats inside there for foraging. And the fun part is that they have to search for it. Chex, have a little treat. Thank you so much to Simeon and Amira for sending in those packages. That was very generous. Oh, he wants to come get a treat now. You want a treat? Oh, yes. Treats are good too, huh? Yeah, that's my finger now. You ate the treat. Oh, these guys are best. Thank you so much for helping us give them a happy and healthy life. And if you'd like to continue going on animal adventures with us, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
There we go.
That was it.
I'm going to just wash my hands and eat.
Sounds good. Hey, cuties. I kind of want to just sit here and stay with them.
Okay.
Okay.